Hello, good morning everybody. It is Tuesday the 13th of December 2022. I am at the new Isle of Man ferry terminal. Let me try and turn you around, sorry. I've got gloves on, so pressing buttons doesn't work as swiftly as it should. So yeah, I'm at the new Isle of Man ferry terminal, as you can see there. Some sort of looks like marquee type structures up there. As you can see, those white tent looking things, I'm not sure what they are, but anyway, I'm going to take a video of the progress of this site as it looks today. It's very cold, so video might be a bit quicker than usual. But yeah, I'll have a good look at this side as well, because there's loads of work being done on this side of it. Oh, and there's the barges moved down there, must be doing more dredging. So let me turn you around. As I said, my fingers aren't working as good as they should with gloves on. Excuse me, there you go. Anyway, let's get up in the air and take a look at this Isle of Man ferry terminal as it looks on Tuesday the 13th of December 2022. Let's get up there. Right, okay guys, that was the new Isle of Man ferry terminal on Tuesday the 13th of December 2022. I am absolutely frozen, so I'm getting back to the car. This is like my third project of the day, so yeah, my hands are freezing. I feel frozen right through. So I'm not going to comment too much at the end, other than to say it's looking really good, isn't it? There's like side paneling now below the glass on the walls. Loads of work at the back. I believe this is going to be the entrance side of it. Right right here, so I got some more shots of that, and there's loads of work going on here. Got some dredging in as well. Green Sea Marine are doing the dredging there, so got some of that. And excuse me, wiping my nose. So yeah, looking really good, looking close to completion, and I need to get back to my car and get warm. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Please like, share, subscribe. This will probably be the last one I do here now until the new year, but I will put a time lapse together showing the progress this year on it. I've got to get back in the car. I am really cold. So guys, please like, share, subscribe. I am getting close to 20,000 subscribers now. I'd love to get there before the new year, so I'm about 400 away. So please subscribe if you watch. If you would like to buy me a beer, you can do so using this link, but no pressure whatsoever. Just if you'd like to, for any branded clothing like this, go to this link, Design and Stitch. It's a local company, fantastic company, and they've also done a direct link to my clothing, which is here. So if you'd like to buy any bobble hats, beanie hats, hoodies, you can follow that link. Guys, other than that, I hope you enjoyed the video. Merry Christmas everybody. I'll be back at the Isle of Man Ferry Terminal early next year, but I will do a time lapse, like I said, between now and the new year. So guys, take care, bye now.